Welcome to Wheels Vibe, where we dive deep into the machines that move America. Today we're jumping straight into a topic that's already stirring up serious excitement across the truck world, the 2026 V8 Chevy Silverado. No fluff, no intro titles, let's get right into what this next generation Silverado is shaping up to be, and why it's becoming one of the most talked about trucks heading into 2026. The Silverado name has always stood for muscle, capability, and that unmistakable American truck identity. But Chevy knows that in 2026, buyers are expecting more than just raw power. They want smarter tech, tougher builds, better towing, and efficiency that doesn't force them to give up the legendary V8 experience. And that's exactly where the upcoming Silverado is aiming to make its mark. Let's start with the power plant, because we know that's why many of you are here. Chevy is keeping the V8 alive, and the 2026 Silverado is expected to feature an updated version of its 6.2-liter V8, tuned for better torque response, improved fuel management, and a refined exhaust note that brings back that deep, satisfying rumble everyone loves. Chevy has been working on making this engine cleaner and more efficient without watering down performance. Expect horsepower numbers that push upward, towing capacity that stays best in class competitive, and throttle feel that stays true to the Silverado identity. But the engine isn't the only thing getting attention. The 2026 model is rumored to bring a redesigned frame structure, reinforced for heavy-duty tasks but lighter where it counts, helping with fuel economy and ride dynamics. Chevy wants this truck to feel sturdier on rough roads, smoother on highways, and locked in when towing something big. Drivers can expect upgrades in suspension tuning and possibly even new adaptive features that adjust ride stiffness on the fly. Inside the cabin, Chevy is moving toward a more modern, tech-forward layout. We're talking larger screens, cleaner interfaces, and smarter connectivity. The Silverado's infotainment system is expected to get a major upgrade, featuring faster response, better graphics, and expanded compatibility with mobile devices. Over-the-air updates are going to be a big part of the 2026 experience, allowing Chevy to push new features and improvements long after the truck leaves the dealership. The interior materials are improving too. Expect more soft touch surfaces, better stitching, and a more premium feel overall, especially in the LTZ, High Country, and potential new upper trim models. Chevy wants its top-tier trims to go head-to-head with luxury trucks, and 2026 is shaping up to deliver exactly that. Safety and driver assist tech are stepping forward as well. The new Silverado is expected to include more advanced sensors, improved adaptive cruise systems, lane-keeping enhancements, and possibly expanded semi-autonomous features for highway driving. Chevy is making a clear push toward smarter daily driving without taking control away from the driver who still loves the feel of a real truck. On the exterior, the 2026 V8 Silverado is expected to feature sharper lines, a bolder grille, and redesigned LED lighting. The look is going more aggressive, more confident, and more modern. Chevy knows the Silverado has to stand tall next to the F-150, Ram 1500, and the rising wave of electric trucks. A refreshed, powerful stance is essential. The 2026 V8 Chevy Silverado is shaping up to be a strong blend of tradition and innovation, keeping the classic V8 heart alive while stepping boldly into the future with new tech, improved comfort, and smarter performance. If you're a Silverado fan, or just love trucks with attitude, this is definitely a model to keep on your radar. That's all for today's deep dive on Wheels Vibe. If you want more breakdowns on upcoming models, hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell us in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.